Okay, recently I've been going to the range and I've been doing a lot of stuff with the Glock 17 by Agency Arms. And I do it because the Glock 17 is my favorite gun. Of all the models I've ever fired, of all the things I've ever carried, I prefer the Glock 17. I know it's a full-size service pistol, but I like it. I don't know why, but I do. However, this weekend I'm going to be training with JT Albrecht at the SWAT range again. So for the moment, I'm going to lay this aside. Anyway, this weekend I'm going to take the Glock 19 field gun from Agency Arms out, and I haven't really run this through its paces yet. I have shot it a few times. I do like the way it shoots, except this is going to grow up one day and be a knock. This whole upper is going to be gone, and it's going to have the knock upper from Agency Arms. So I haven't really wanted to play with it that much. But because of production things and everything else that's going on with Agency Arms, we're going to go ahead and, the knock is coming, and when that happens, you'll see about it as well. But we're going to take this out. This is a 4th gen Glock frame. It's got the back strap on it. And, it has all the hallmarks of the Agency brand and everything on it. The same, the trigger is the same. The feel is the same. The magwell is, that's bespoke by them as well. And so we're going to take this out and we're going to run it. And I'm going to run it with JT Albrecht, and we'll see what we get out of it. And my biggest concern is I'm going to like this so much that I'm not going to want to turn it into a knock. And I just can't have that. That I don't, all I want to do is be left alone so I can eat my turkey pot pie. This is the drill for when my turkey pot pie is interrupted. I don't just liquid Mercury. You touch what you can't see. Your fingers in the dark, lighting me up, lighting me up, lighting me up. Like I am a stocking on my skin. I had to let you in. I know this is a game, but I want to play.